Hi, I'm Rida and I'm excited to introduce you to Teepee.ai, the tool that will help you boost your students' GCSE and A-Level grades using the power of AI. Teepee.ai is an innovative platform that provides AI-generated and marked, specification-aligned exam-style questions with instant feedback. It's designed to save you time and enhance your teaching experience. Let's take a closer look at how it works. The first step is to create a quiz. Simply give it a name and choose the subject you're teaching. Next, Teepee.ai offers different types of quizzes, including formative assessments, mini-mock exams, and exam-style quizzes. For our tutorial, let's go with the exam-style quiz. Now select the number of questions you'd like to include and choose the specific topics and subtopics you want to cover. Once you've made your selections, click on the Generate button and Teepee.ai will do its magic. Voila! Your quiz is ready to go. You can now share the quiz link with your students. You copy the link. Your students can now attempt the quiz by typing in their name, their answers, hit the submit button. They receive instant feedback. But what about quiz evaluation? Teepee.ai has you covered there too. As a teacher, you can view the results of individual students. You'll be able to see each student's answers, the marks they received, the actual answers, and the feedback provided by Teepee.ai. And that's how Teepee.ai generates and evaluates quizzes. It's a powerful tool that harnesses the power of AI to make your teaching experience more effective and efficient. So why wait? Start using Teepee.ai today and see the amazing results it can bring to your classroom. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you explore Teepee.ai.